Switching gears right now into the Startup Arena Pitch Battle 2021 Finals, brought to you by Tech in Asia in collaboration with East Ventures. This year, we're on the lookout for the region's most innovative startups who are tackling environmental, social, and governance issues. So we've got some pretty amazing prizes lined up for this afternoon. Our top 3 winners will receive a complimentary 2-month subscription to App Annie Lite. Now, the startup in 3rd place will walk away with $2,000 in cash, sponsored by East Ventures, along with $2,500 worth of Zendit credits. Our runner-up will walk away with $5,000 in cash, sponsored by DBS Bank, and $5,000 in Zendit credits. Now, the grand winner of Startup Arena 2021 will walk away with a whopping $10,000 in cash, sponsored by East Ventures, and another $10,000 in Zendit credits. So thank you once again to our partners from DBS, App Annie, Zendit, and Google Cloud for making all of this possible.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is André Stolz, and I have left my previous well-paid corporate job to follow my passion for sustainability and make an even bigger impact to environment and society. At EcoWorth, I get to turn waste into worth. Did you know that 80% of world's wastewater is being dumped back into an environment, largely untreated? Focusing on industrial water treatment and oil decontamination, very sizable markets, we have developed modular solutions that we can tailor to smaller and bigger players in the market. EcoWorth is commercializing an environmentally friendly super absorbent sponge technology that we call the carbon fiber aerogel. And in the video, you see here how we compare our solvent solutions against commercially available ones made out of PP that are not reusable. And the organics can be absorbed at much faster rate, much higher capacity. So simple mechanical squeezing, we can reuse the organics, and after that, we can redeploy our sponge solution again.
What do you think in your head would be the natural sales cycle length?
Yeah, so the current focus markets are B2B clients, and they typically come with longer sales cycles.
Try to understand, just now you mentioned about ocean cleaning. How are you going to deploy sponge in the ocean?
So with our solutions, we have a way to put our CFA into our environmental friendly material into a sorbent boom that allows the compression, means the squeezing of these booms, to reuse the oil and then redeploy the boom again.
So what we are doing is we're trying to make this plastic live longer in the earth in a much cooler way. So we convert these plastic bottles into plastic flakes, and then we sell the plastic flakes into our market, like European market mostly. And then our customer produce that and convert that into much more usable raw materials.
Yeah, Dian, I think what we are doing is very interesting, and I think this is a real problem right now. Let's assume that you have unlimited money. How much waste of plastic actually in Indonesia? And based on your current output, how long do you need to recycle everything?
So if we see that, let's say if we have a lot of money and unlimited money, the only bottleneck, in fact, right now is not the operation itself, but it's the collection. So it should be hand in hand between the collection and the processing. So in terms of the percentage of how many it has been recycled, sadly enough, it has only been 10% plastic waste that is recycled. So meaning that we still have 90% that needs to be collected and recycled, assuming that the consumption rate is the same.
Autotech build is that we build Auto Energy Edge platform, which is the AI and IoT platform, right? So we developed one feature called Auto OS that can connect to devices from various vendors, various protocol like Schiller from Train, Solar from Huawei or something, right? So we have Auto Energy Analytics, which is the virtual expert, this is the data scientist staying at your building, analyze everything, right, and tell you what's the potential of saving. And then we have auto self-driving, which is like the self-driving algorithm that automatically control building instead of using human.
To get this into a building, right? The software, who are the stakeholders? I mean, the building owner is obviously one.
So basically, for us, we want to be software company. We build software, but we need stakeholder, those guys who do energy audit, who do installation, and the owner who have the target to reduce their consumption and going to be like net zero building.
Our Magalava feed, which is 50 times more sustainable, the price is decreasing and stable, and it's 100% scalable. How do we do it, you ask? By this. What the heck is this, you ask? Black soldier fly. We use black soldier fly technology to produce BSF-based animal feed by converting organic waste to make a full circular economy. We'll convert food waste from hotels, restaurants, factories with our BSF technology to produce animal feed and then offload it back to the food chain. We're saving the ocean while reducing food waste at the same time. This is our impact.
Yes. How do you come up with this idea, black soldier fly?
It's the most efficient organic waste solution rather than like your usual composting or incinerator and stuff like that.
I see. So actually, the problem starts from the waste management, the food waste management. Then you
like my inspiration comes from that. Yeah.
50% of all plastic produced used only once. These are the headlines we hear over and over again because we know plastic is a problem. And with the latest statistics showing that we have less than 8 years until we do irreversible damage to the planet, we need a solution, and we need a solution right now. Equal is a sustainable brand providing 100% plastic-free and compostable solutions to replace everyday single-use plastic items. Do you want a straw that matches the color of your drink for that perfect Instagram shot? Or how about a straw that never gets soggy for your extra large iced coffee? Or how about a straw that you can snack on mid-drink when you get hangry? We've got you covered.
If you assess yourself, what is your core competency? Are you good in marketing, product design? What is the core strength of your team?
Yes, our core strength is really our brand. And I know this can sound a little bit, I would say, fluffy to a lot of people. It actually compels people to make a choice. It compels people to actively think about their choices that they're making.
And in terms of, you mentioned these are all food grade straws, right? In the sense that it's edible. Am I right when you said that?
Actually, each of our straws have very different properties. So that is actually what makes our product so interesting and so kind of prolific for all the different needs for our customers. So our rice straw is actually edible. You can eat the whole thing. It's kind of like a pasta almost. The other straws we don't recommend that you eat because they won't taste very good.
So quite simply, we are a material science company. We develop high-performance silicon-based materials technology for lithium-ion batteries. Our customers are quite fundamentally anyone who produces lithium-ion batteries. The most prominent and well-known applications of these being electric vehicles, stationary energy storage systems, and consumer electronic devices, wireless consumer electronic devices. The product that we are offering is the product that we offer enables batteries to store up to 40% more energy, have a higher energy density of 40%. And we do so uniquely at a price point that is comparable to the status quo, which is graphite-based anodes, while at the same time only requiring seamless integration by our customers in their existing production lines. Compared to any other alternative on the market, we offer quite simply 3 times greater performance than the commercially available state of art today with the lowest cost of adoption. We are a seed-funded company with an existing IP portfolio with patent filings, and we have a core team established. So as Nathalian mentioned, batteries are expensive. In electric vehicles, even today, they make up to 20 to 40% of the cost of the platform. And in stationary energy storage systems, which will soon be ubiquitous in grids tomorrow, will battery cells make up to 90% of the cost.
Okay, maybe just curious about how early in the life cycle of a customer do you need to go after, right?
Where the life cycle of adoption is 1.5 to 2 years.
Have you tested that part of the equation?
Of course, this is materials R&D, and batteries are a very complex piece of technology. But on a fundamental level, we don't see us, having a detrimental impact.
The plastic processing, the second one, I can't remember the name. It seems like they're doing a great job.
I like Autotech, right? Because the value proposition to customers is there. And the immediate, so-called, it's very scalable, right? It's easily deployable, and there's commercial value to a customer.
EcoWork, and the third one is between Volt 14 and Equa. And if you really have to choose one, then I would probably go for Equa because I think it's the team dynamics and the success that they've delivered already.
Okay, let's make the decision quick. I have to go.
Go.
Oh. if you ask me in terms of scalability, I do feel that Autotech would scale very fast.
Okay, then that's it.
Yeah.
That's right. So we've kept the startups on the call waiting and squirming for a while. And And in third place, it's a good one.
Congratulations to Equo, winning third place in our Startup Arena Pitch Battle 2021. So, our second place winner for this afternoon is... Congratulations!
EcoWorth.
Tech.
And the winner is...
Congratulations to Autotech.
That's a lot of fireworks.
Definitely a big congratulations to everyone. This is just a start probably for a lot of more impact that you guys can create. So I hope that this is a good place for you guys to connect, meet more people and create even more impact. But of course, congratulations that you guys do have make it. You guys are all champions.
That's a wrap for now. On behalf of the entire Tech in Asia team, we hope to see you in person maybe even next year at Tech in Asia conference. Thank you.
Thank you very much.